Okay, hi. So today we have the BJ200 and today we're going to show you how to remove this part. So with any flathead or any type of flathead tool, you could pop this right off. Once that comes out, you'll want to use any solid surface material. Doesn't particularly have to be cardboard, but it can be similar. And essentially what you want to do is this is a 2 3/8 gap. And what you want to do is you want to grab the teeth on each side and twist counterclockwise approximately 7 to 8 times, effectively removing the flange. Once the flange comes out, you do want to make sure the rubber gasket stays inside, stays in place. One lip on the inside, one lip on the outside. But in order to put the part back in, it will require two hands, as you do have to hold the valve in place while continuously threading the replacement flange back onto the face of the tube. Hold that in place, and then you should be able to twist and lock the new part back in. Once it's in, you grab your solid surface material, just twist until you feel it is tight and secure. Alrighty. And that's going to be a 2 3/8 inch gaps. Once you pop that in and everything is back to normal, pop the cap back on and you're good to go.